Yo, what's up? Hey everybody. My name is India, Coach India, and I help busy moms be able to prioritize themselves, their self-love, and be able to burn fat without counting calories. And today I wanted to talk about a topic that people bring up a lot in my inbox, which is cravings and binge eating and snacking and just feeling like you're out of control. Now, I'm not saying that I don't occasionally um, struggle with this myself because I have a huge sweet tooth, but I do want to share some things that have helped me on my journey. So as you're coming in, let me know that you are here. I'm here in the comments so that I can be able to see you. I can't see who you are unless you comment or like or whatever. And if you're watching this on replay, hashtag replay. So the other day, oh, hey Mary, see, now I can see you. Uh, but the other day, I had someone just talk to me about that their cravings, they just felt like they were out of control. And like one day they feel like they're on their nutrition plan just fine. And then the next day they just feel out of control. And then they feel so discouraged the next day and feel guilty. And so I got the idea to talk about this topic next. I have so many topics that I want to talk about, but I'm trying to be able to talk about what's on you guys' mind, what you guys inbox me about. And so some things that have helped me are one, to be able to keep the snacking down is grocery shopping correctly. And that might sound like duh, but I noticed that if I make sure I don't go hungry, first of all, don't grocery shop hungry, and grocery shop correctly with a list of pre-planned foods that I'm planning on buying already, then going prepared with that list and sticking to that list, then that helps me, because the foods that I bring into my house are the foods that I'm going to eat. So if I bring in a pack of donuts, then that's what I'm going to eat. And when I eat one donut, I'm not going to stop eating the rest of it because I just know myself. I know that I have very little self-control. And so I know that if I don't bring it in the house, I'm not going to have an easier opportunity to be able to eat it. Can I go out there and get it if I'm craving? Yes, but make it harder for yourself to be able to get those foods that you are craving. So that's number one. And then another thing about the whole grocery shopping thing is grocery shopping on a delivery. So some type of delivery service like Instacart, Amazon Fresh, Click List with Kroger. Walmart has one that you can pull up to as well, because if you're shopping online, then it's kind of like the grocery list idea where you're able to kind of stick to the foods that you're supposed to be buying. And I found that I have higher compliance when I'm doing some type of delivery service, or where I just pull up and they just load it in, because then you're not passing all the aisles of the chips and whatnot, or whatever sweets or junk, and you can literally just on there select your fruits, your veggies, your proteins, your healthy carbs on your online shopping, and then it will be delivered to you, and then there you go. That's higher compliance rate. Another thing besides out of sight, out of mind, grocery shopping correctly and grocery shopping online, that I wanted to tell you guys is making sure that you're nourishing your body throughout the day. Now, this is one thing that I struggle with, is I tend to not be so hungry in the day, or with the fact that I have ADHD and I'm easily distracted, then so many things can distract me throughout the day, and then I forget to eat until 5 p.m. And then so by the time that 5 o'clock rolls around, then I'm suffocating and inhaling my food like I'm hungry, and then you know what I mean. And it's like then you're eating so fast, you're taking in so many calories at once, and it leads to that binge feeling. Hi Brooke, hi Erica, thank you guys for tuning in. So not waiting until the end of the day, and eating throughout the day, paying attention to your hunger cues. So paying attention to your hunger cues is not just about stopping when you're full. It's also about eating when you are hungry as well. So make sure that you're eating throughout the day. I have so many written down. I wonder if I should put them in all one video. Protein shake is one thing that helps me, and fiber. So both protein and fiber are really good for the body as far as making sure that you stay satisfied longer throughout the day. My protein shake is very high in fiber, and so I'm kind of killing two birds with one stone there. And so that's one thing that you can kind of keep something on the go, whether you take it to your job and you drink it when you feel like you're craving something, or you just know that you're going to be out on the run to like running errands, and then you won't stop and get McDonald's because you've got your protein shake with you. What's a good source of fiber? So Brooke, good sources of fiber are any veggies, fruit, let's see, you can even get like probiotic and fiber tablets. I have one, and my shake also is a good fiber source. But yeah, pretty much any fruit or veggie is going to be high in fiber. And then of course there's supplements that you can take that are going to be high in fiber as well. Let's see. So also to help with cravings is just finding healthier alternatives. So it's not necessarily that you have to stop eating things that are good for you. You don't have to have like a boring diet. But if you can find a healthier alternative to whatever it is you like, for instance, say you like cake or cupcakes. Did you know that you can make cake and cupcakes out of protein shakes? So that would be considered a healthier alternative. Or like if you love Starbucks, for instance, then you can get a coffee flavor protein shake. And Starbucks has a creamer at Kroger, by the way. But anyways, sidetracking. But you can put a little bit of coffee creamer into like a coffee flavored protein shake, and that could be a healthier alternative to the Starbucks. But yes, it's not about stopping eating the things you love, but just find a healthier alternative. Another point is just not getting down on yourself when you do feel like you've given into those temptations, because I'll say it again, the 80-20 rule. 80% of the time you want to be eating for your goals. Let me get some of this oil off my face. 80% of the time you want to be eating for your goals, and 20% of the time you have that flexibility within your diet to be able to eat the things that you want and love. And just know that, just brush it off, keep going. This is not an all or nothing journey. You don't have to have it all together. You don't have to be perfect. Just brush it off and keep going. So, another thing, maybe this will be my last point because I had like a long list, guys, is keeping your gut healthy. And when I say like do a cleanse to people are thinking that I'm talking about drinking celery juice for 7 days straight and nothing else, or doing a water fast, but that's not what I'm talking about. When I say do a cleanse or keeping a healthy gut, I'm talking about eating whole foods and or clean eating, because ultimately your body is going to respond best to fruits and veggies and meats without hormones and antibiotics, and processed foods. So, uh, so keeping your gut clean and healthy with the right foods is going to help with those cravings, because the more balanced your GI system is, then the better it's going to help bring those cravings down. I was having trouble finding the right words, but your cravings aren't going to be sky high, because you're not going to have things like candida overtaking your GI tract and increasing those cravings. So I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments below if you got value from this. Let me know your biggest takeaways. Inbox me if you have any questions. I am always here to help. And I'll sum it up real quick. Is protein and fiber, healthier alternatives. Know that this is not all or nothing, and follow the 80-20 rule. Making sure you're grocery shopping right, bringing the right things into your house, making it harder for you to grab the junk food. And shopping online is going to help as well. Out of sight, out of mind with the junk food, and making sure that you're eating throughout the day, paying attention to your hunger cues. Eat when you're hungry. Grab the right things when you're hungry. And yeah, guys, so my name is India, and I am your coach that helps busy moms be able to prioritize themselves and their self-love, and be able to burn calories without counting calories. So bye, have a great day.